Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you the only 2024 BYD Seal DM-i. So the vehicle is the upgraded version. It has got 17 or 30 kilowatt battery pack, and your battery CLTC range will be 120 kilometer or 200 kilometer. Also, it got 1.5 liter turbo engine along with e-cvt transmission, and you can carry 45 or 50 liter of fuel. Then your total CLTC range will be 1,200 to 1,400 kilometer. So let me show you this vehicle from the rear. Here we got a full LED tail lights. This is a new design, and it looks amazing. Also, we got a 360-degree camera. There are so many parking sensors. Let me show you the exhaust. There are two exhausts, both are functional. Let's open the cargo. So this is the lowest version. There are other 3 or 4 different versions. So that's why the cargo is not the hydraulic one, but you can also choose the hydraulic one. You have to add some extra money. So here we will get around 450 liters storage capacity, which is good enough. Also, we get some lights in the cargo here. So if you open the cargo in a dark place, no problem at all. So this is not the hydraulic one, but you can also choose the hydraulic one. So let me mention the height of the vehicle. 1.5 meter, almost 1.5 meter, but it got 1.49 meter, and the length is 5.1 meter. Officially they have said 4.99 meter, but we can call it 5.0 meter. And the wheelbase is 2.9 meter. Front wheel distance 1.9, rear wheel distance also 1.9 meter. Ground clearance, it will be around 20 to 25 centimeter. It doesn't have the air suspension because the price is very reasonable. Here we'll get GT tire with 18-inch wheels, and your tire size will be 225 by 50 R18. So you see the wheels up, they're using the BYD brake, and this is your fuel tank. You can carry 45 or 50 liter of fuel, and your fuel cost will be 5.6 liter per 100 kilometer. So it's a 5.1 or 5.0 meter long vehicle, long sedan. So it's great. To be honest, I prefer the DMI version rather than the electric version, because this one I can use as a electric vehicle. Also, I can carry 45 or 50 liter of fuel, and the fuel cost is also not too high. So I prefer the plug-in hybrid version, especially if you're living some Asian country where you will face some electricity problem, So this kind of vehicle, plug-in hybrid, would be better choice for them. So come to the front, look at the front. I love this design. Compared with the BYD Seal, the electric version, I love the BYD Seal DM-i version because the front looks more, more stylish and also very attractive from the front and from the rear. So here we will get LED daytime running light. This will be visible in day and night. Also the LED headlight, LED high beam and low beam. Here we'll get a little bit space, so the air can be flowing this way, and this will give you a better aerodynamic performance. They haven't mentioned the drag coefficient of this vehicle. It should be around 0.30 city. Also we get the logo, 360-degree camera, and a functional grille. So let me open the engine bay. So here is a hook. Let's open it. As I mentioned it, we got 1.5 liter turbo engine along with e-cvt transmission, and your power output will be 160 kilowatt along with 325 newton meter of torque. 0 to 100 7.9 seconds. So let me close it. Let's go to the interior. These are the pop-up door handles. They use so many chromes all over in the vehicle. So let's go and check this out. So here, the front seats are electric. So you can activate your seat heating seat masks, but the rear one is not electric. And here you can move the seat like this way. Also you can make it high and low. So let's sit inside and close the door. This is not the electric one. Look at the interior. It looks great. The price is the version I am showing you is the lowest version, so that's why the rear cargo is also not the hydraulic one, and we don't have the auto hood. The price here in Chinese market 150k Chinese yuan, which is around 20 to 22,000 US dollar. And if you choose the high-end performance one, then it will be around 30,000 US dollar. So we got PVC leather in the dashboard. Here is a screen, so you have to see the CLT range and the speed through the screen because we don't have any auto hood. And here we got a compartment box. This is a soft leather, and the screen is pretty similar as the other lineup. So here you see you can open the, so if you press this one, okay, we can open and close the sunroof. So from this one you can open all the mirror, and here you can close them. Let's open it. It's too hot. And if you press this one, then your side looking glass is going to be open and close. So here we are familiar with the AI system of this vehicle, which is 小弟，你好，小弟。我在。帮我开空调。好嘞，开启打开，温度18度。So the 小弟 is the AI system of this vehicle. It can help you to open the AC, also the sunroof, and it can help you to assist in many other ways. So here, let's see. So as I mentioned, the front seats are electric. You can activate your seating seat masses, but the rear one is not. And rest of the part are all same. Also, we'll get the D-Link, the pilot, which is pretty similar as the other lineup. And here we can rotate the screen. So come to the steering wheels. It's also the leather steering wheels, which is power adjustable. You can adjust it like this way. Here we get the BYD logo in your back, and there are some switches. If you press here, you can talk with the AI system of this vehicle. Also, you can receive your phone call. Come to this part. Here we got two ear vents or AC vents at the middle. One in the right, one in the left. This is your wireless charger and the gear knob. So we can drive this vehicle as a EV version or the ACV version. Here is the hazard button. We can drive it in 3 different modes. Normally it is sport. And you can increase and decrease the volume like this way. This is your cup holder. We can hidden them like this way. And here you can use the NFC card. Also you will get a box with the armrest. So see at the top, here at the top we got a box for the sunglasses. And there are some lights, 2 lights. If you touch it, it will be open and close. If you want to open the sunroof, you can just press like this way to open it. Or you can command Xiaodi, the AI system, to open it for you. And here we'll get a mirror with the light. So these are the basic materials they have used, not the Alcantara one. 你好，小弟。来了。关闭空调。没问题，帮你关闭空调了。So that's pretty all. Let's go to the second row. So here in the second row, as I mentioned, they have used all there's so many chrome all over in the vehicle, and it looks pretty good with the white color. I love this design. And here we will get a luxury interior, although this is not the high-end performance version. There are 2 cup holders with the armrest, and it can be hidden like this way, and a small box. So they have used soft materials, soft leather all over in the interior. This is not the Napa one. I will get enough leg space, enough head space, no problem with the head space and leg space, because the length of the vehicle is almost 5.0 meter. And here we'll get 2 AC fans at the rear and 2 USB ports. Let me show you the interior from this side. Look, it looks amazing. Only 22,000 US dollar. And let's see at the top here, we got some lights. So if you touch it, it will be open and closed. These are the soft metals, not the Alcantara one. We should not expect the Alcantara one because the price is very reasonable. So 0 to 100, it will take 7.9 seconds. Top speed 180 km/h. And there are 4 different versions. The one I'm showing you is the most cheapest one, which is around 150k Chinese yuan. Around 22,000 US dollars. But the high end one, it will be 220k Chinese yuan, around 30,000 US dollars. So you will get 1.5 liter turbo engine along with e-cvt transmission. Also, you can choose 17 or 30 kilowatt battery packs. So your battery cell DC range will be 121 kilometer or 200 kilometer. So that's pretty well. I'll share more new vehicles later. Keep supporting me. Do subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye.